Can a mechanical keyboard truly be silent and satisfying at the same time? This DURGOD gaming mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX silent red switches makes a bold claim, and it's one that might just change your perception of mechanical typing. Right out of the box, the promise of quieter linear smooth travel is immediately apparent. These Cherry MX silent red switches are specifically engineered to deliver a consistent, smooth feel through both down and up strokes, making them incredibly popular with both gamers and office typists. For gamers, it means effortless double taps and rapid-fire actions without the usual click-clack symphony. For typists, it translates to long, comfortable work sessions that won't disturb anyone around them. It's a fantastic blend of performance and consideration. Beyond the switches, the build quality is quite impressive. The keyboard features ergonomic wide Cherry MX Profile PBT double-shot seamless keycaps. This isn't just marketing jargon. PBT keycaps are known for their durability and resistance to shine over time, meaning your keys will look and feel great for years. The double-shot process ensures the legends will never fade, and the seamless design adds to the premium aesthetic. The space gray color with its appropriate keycap collocation gives it an elegant, understated look that complements any setup. While the main body is plastic, the overall feel is solid and well-constructed, suggesting it can handle the rigors of daily use. For the serious gamer, the N-key rollover is a crucial feature, providing that competitive edge by ensuring every single keystroke registers, no matter how many keys are pressed simultaneously. Multimedia keys are also a welcome addition, allowing users to rebind controls or assign macros with ease, streamlining both gaming and productivity tasks. The convenience factor extends to its physical design too. 3 levels of adjustable feet mean you can find the perfect height and angle for your typing or gaming sessions, significantly enhancing comfort. And in a world where cable management is king, the detachable USB Type-C cable with its 3-way direction management is a thoughtful touch, making it incredibly convenient for travel or simply keeping your desk tidy. The DURGOD keyboard also comes with independent software, which is a huge plus. This allows for full customization of all keys with a visualization interface, making it easy and intuitive to set up macros, rebind keys, or even create one-key text inputs for added convenience in work or play. The fully utilized FN key further expands its functionality without cluttering the layout. It's clear that a lot of thought went into making this a versatile tool for a wide range of users. Overall, the DURGOD gaming mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX silent red switches really delivers on its promises. It's a full-sized, 104 keyboard that manages to be both a high-performance gaming peripheral and a quiet, comfortable typing companion. It combines robust features, durable materials, and smart design choices into a package that feels genuinely premium and highly functional. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that offers the best of both worlds, silent operation, and top-tier performance, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.